Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. Up first, you would have seen our very special guest this week, Marie from Marie Louise Art. If you missed her, there'll be a link in the description. Go check her out. She's absolutely awesome. After me, we have Kristey from Creations by Kristey, Shannon from ShanB Fluid Art, Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art, and last but not least, Tony and Kat from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So, stick around and enjoy the ride. So what I figured I'd do today is just have a bit of a play day. Do a couple of my Wombat Wonder pillows with interference colours. And just have a random play day and see what we come up with. Alright guys, here's some tunes. Enjoy.
Don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed, the monster's in your head. Don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed, the monster's in your head. It's been keeping you up at night, deciphering what's truth and lies. You can't run from me, you can't hide from me, you can't run from me, 'cause the monster is living inside. Oh, the monster is living inside. Oh, don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed, the monster's in your head. Don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed, the monster's in your head. It's been keeping you up at night, deciphering what's truth and lies. You can't run from me, you can't hide from me, you can't run from me, 'cause the monster is living inside. The monster is living inside. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't outrun the things in your head. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't outrun the things in your head. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't outrun the things in your head. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't outrun the things in your head. You can't run from me, you can't hide from me, you can't run from me, 'cause the monster is living inside. The monster is living inside. The monster is living inside.
Can you history calling you, calling me, written in stone upon tablets that fade away? We will remain. Oh, look what we've done, the wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but don't go down. I want it all, I want it all. So long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I'll wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd. Say it. King, king, king. Long live the kingdoms will fall to mine is the only one, written in stars like a sign of glory to come. Glory to come. Oh, look what we've done, the wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but won't go down. I want it all, I want it I know you've heard all the stories about me. Sometimes a legend is hard to believe. Yeah, I'll show you just how true they can be. Let's raise a glass to the king.
Alright guys, we'll do a flyover of that one. Yeah, that turned out gorgeous. Absolutely love that one. So for that one I made my colours just that little bit thinner, so I could get them to blend with each other a bit easier. So, but yeah, that one's really, really pretty. I love it. Okie dokie. So, up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey. Click on her name in the title of this video, it'll take you to her YouTube channel. Click on the link that I put in the live chat, it'll take you to her premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, use the play all list. I put that in there every week. It puts everybody's video in order on the Fluidart Express, one after another. You don't have to go hunting for links, you don't get lost. Hit play all, and away you go. Alright guys, if you like that, hit like, share and subscribe, ring the notification bell, ding ding. That way you get to see all this crazy stuff as I release it. Okie dokie, have fun, take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Long